Hello, all. Good evening. Hope you're all doing absolutely fine. Today, we are going to discuss about a very important point, which is documentation. Documentation, you might say that what we have to document, why we have to document, and so on and so forth. Basically, as I discussed, we take so many decisions. How do we take those decisions? It comes through a lot of thinking. And how does thinking come? Thinking comes through our day to day personal experiences. So, whatever the experiences which we have gone through, it is so important that you document it in a proper manner. So that whenever you reflect back at any point of time further in your life, you come to know what all journey you have been through, why you have gone through it, how you have gone through it, and what you have done to overcome any issues or any good things which we have done. So it is important that we maintain a kind of a small diary or a journal where you can carry it whenever you go, wherever you go, because it is important that whenever you're going outside, that diary should be there with you, because any decision or any idea which you get, and you never know when you will get an idea, but it is important that you document it immediately, so that when you combine, when you keep doing so many things or keep getting so many ideas, there'll be a pool of ideas which can make you a different person altogether, or just one idea if you implement it properly. So the whole purpose of documenting is to understand why are we doing it, kind of understanding the root cause analysis as to why the problem had happened, or if you take it in a better way, what have you done to achieve that goal, or what have you done that the sales have gone up tremendously. So you need to understand what is the root cause behind the whole thing, and how are you going to do it, how you have done. You have achieved $1 billion sales, you should be knowing why it has happened, how it has happened, what measures have you taken to increase that numbers to a billion or a million. So very important that you write down your daily experiences in a manner so that you can reflect back after a month or after a year and come to know what struggles you have faced, how you have overcome all the problems which you have encountered, what are the best things which we have done all through. And it gives you a picture where you can go from 1x to 5x or 10x based on the present experiences. There are so many people who have, just by writing their stories, their personal experiences, they have written down and made it in the form of a book, and they are successful people. They have not just become successful by writing something. It is their own story, it is their experience, it is their decision making which they have done over a period of time, it is their life journey which they have given in those books. And if you have gone through those books, you will really come to know how important it is to put everything down on paper. If you start writing everyday things on paper, you will only come to know that how much it is important and what all things we are missing, basically what we have missed over a period of time, and what you don't even remember, suddenly it reflects you that, oh, this I have lost it, I am good that I am writing it now. So what I mean to say is, it is important for you all to start noting down your journey on a day-to-day basis, which will give you, which will add you, which will add value to your daily things and give maximum returns based on your experiences. If you think that this point of writing it down on paper has added value to you, please like this video and please share feedback. Also, this will be available on YouTube. Please give a like there as well and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.